Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can redirect Amazon affiliate links to any country automatically. So essentially, I'm going to be showcasing the limitation of standard Amazon affiliate links, introducing a global affiliate solution to that problem. I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can set it up and all of that. So without much further ado, let's get right into the video. So starting off, I'm going to be addressing a common challenge faced by many affiliate marketers. When you generate a standard Amazon affiliate link, it typically points to a specific Amazon store, for example Amazon.com for the United States. And while this may work perfectly for visitors from that particular country, what happens when your website attracts a global audience? So practically imagine an English visitor clicking on a link designed for the American store. Chances are they'll abandon the process and search for the product on their local Amazon site, such as amazon.co.uk. And this disconnect can result in lost sales, missed commission opportunities, and frustrating user experience, which is a scenario that you definitely want to be avoiding. And that's where Genius Link comes in clutch. It is a revolutionary tool that solves this problem by automatically redirecting your Amazon affiliate links to the correct country-specific Amazon store based on your visitor's location. And this is a complete game changer for affiliate marketers who want to maximize their earnings, reach a global audience, and provide a seamless shopping experience for every visitor. And this is all happening regardless of their geographic location. And before we go right into the power of Genius Link, let's quickly go over the setup process. First, you will need to sign up for the Genius Link service, which offers a 14-day free trial. And this trial period will allow you to test its capabilities and see the potential impact on your affiliate earnings before committing to a paid plan. However, even after that, the pricing is incredibly reasonable. You would have to pay only $6 for up to 2,000 clicks, and they have this little slide bar that I like on their website that shows you exactly how much you have to pay for the amount of clicks that you need. So for example, if you want up to 4,000 clicks, then you could just slide the bar and see that you would have to pay $11 for it. And when you consider the potential increase in commissions and the ability to tap into a global audience, this little investment quickly becomes a no-brainer for serious Amazon affiliate marketers. So once you've signed up and logged into your Genius Link dashboard, the first step is to add your affiliate IDs for all the Amazon affiliate programs that you're a part of. This crucial step ensures that Genius Link can properly attribute your commissions and track your earnings across multiple Amazon stores. Moving on, let's go ahead and generate a unified Amazon affiliate link that automatically redirects visitors to the correct country-specific store, regardless of their location. Imagine you want to promote a popular product. Instead of copying the standard Amazon affiliate link, which would only work for visitors from a specific country, you will use Genius Link to create a universal link that spans multiple Amazon stores. So first, copy the standard Amazon product link for the product that you want, and then head over to the Genius Link dashboard and navigate to the advanced link section. Paste the product link into the provided field, and Genius Link will analyze it, recognizing the product that you're trying to promote. From there, you will see a list of Amazon locations indicating which countries have a perfect match for the product and which ones might redirect to search results due to unavailability. Genius Link will automatically detect the affiliate programs you've added and display the corresponding affiliate links for each location. Now you can test this using a VPN if you want. So for example, you can change your location using the VPN to the United States and then open a different window and paste the universal link generated by Genius Link. You will notice that it will redirect you to the American Amazon store, ensuring a seamless shopping experience for any visitor from the States. And then you can switch it again to the United Kingdom and do the same exact thing, and of course it will redirect you to the British one. And this level of seamless redirection across multiple countries is a game changer for affiliate marketers looking to tap into a global audience and maximize their earnings potential. With Genius Link in your arsenal, it's time to take your affiliate content strategy to the next level. Instead of creating separate content and links for each target country, you can now focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with a global audience. By using this strategy, you can promote the same product across multiple platforms and channels, knowing that your visitors will be automatically redirected to the appropriate Amazon store based on their location. This streamlined approach not only saves you time and effort, but also ensures a consistent user experience across all of your marketing channels. And this will be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.